Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun unboxing for you. It is a little item I bought from the men's spring summer 2021 collection. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this. I have not looked at it yet. I've been waiting to unbox it on camera. I'm super excited to see it. I've wanted this for a very long time. I'm also going to talk you through some of the other things I heavily contemplated buying from this collection and some of my thoughts on the collection as a whole. If that sounds interesting to you, then please keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Rachel. I am a luxury addict and I am a handbag collector. I make lots of videos about luxury brands and handbags. If that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel below. I would love to have you as a part of my little family here. All right, so I got this box covering my address shipped to me from the Louis Vuitton store in Las Vegas. I ordered this item with a sales associate at one of the Las Vegas locations. So I actually placed this order and prepaid for it on January 22nd. These items started trickling into stores slowly at the end of January through February. This item arrived at my house though on March 4th. So it took about a month, a little over a month to get here. All right, I got my scissors here. Let's get this bad boy open. Actually, super excited. Very hard for me not to open this the second I got it, but I wanted it to be a real unboxing for you guys. All right, so receipt and item. All right, go ahead and take a guess down below from the few videos you may have seen of me. What item do you think that I purchased from the men's spring summer 21 collection? Okay, here we go. Any guesses? There she is. Well, I guess it's a he. There he is. Oh my gosh. This is super cute, guys. Okay, so here is the style code. It is 𝑀80170. We've got the textile label here. All right, this item was made in France. This item is made in France, you can see there. So the stamp that I showed you there, it does say spring summer 21. I have seen some people that got these from a pop-up. They might say fall winter 21, which is kind of confusing, but I feel like I've seen both. Mine does say spring summer, but if you also look up close there, the stamping is not perfect. It's not enough for me to return it and try to get another one because with use, it'll probably, you know, get a little roughed up anyways, but I am just pointing that out, that it is not perfect. There are a few shaky spots in the Louis. Other than that, it looks to be in good shape and I just really love the black and white checker. And it has this really cute bright orange LV and it's got a plastic covering on it right now to prevent it from scratching. The matte finish hardware does scratch pretty easily, so that is nice. I am obsessed with the distorted damier print from the spring summer 2021 collection. Look at the Louis Vuitton writing there, how it's like distorted. You've got this checker damier print with some distortion in it. Super cute in the classic pocket organizer. You have 3 inside card slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, as well as a pocket on the outside. Personally, I love pocket organizers because it gives you a little more room than a card case. I like that I can I'm like a hoarder of things, receipts, gift cards, cash, you name it. So I like that I can hold more in this than I can in the average card case. This is so cute, you guys. I'm super excited. This item is really me. The black and white monochrome, I wear a lot of black, but then this pop of orange, I'm obsessed with neon. So I was really excited. And I love that it's like kind of three-dimensional and comes off the card case, you can see there a little. I just am super excited about this. So a little story here from the fall 20 collection, the Cloud collection. I actually bought 3 pieces. I got the Cloud bag charm, I got the Toiletries Voyage, and I also ordered the pocket organizer. My pocket organizer, I ordered them all at the same time. My pocket organizer kept getting pushed out, and eventually it got canceled, and I was super bummed, like super upset, because I really wanted that pocket organizer. The blue on those items in person was just incredible. And then when I saw this collection, this distorted damier was my favorite piece of it. It reminds me of Vans, and I love like skateboarding culture, skateboard stuff. I love wearing Vans, so I really wanted this piece. So it kind of worked out, I guess, that I didn't get the, actually I still want the Cloud pocket organizer, I just don't want to pay over retail for it. But I'm super excited that I got this, and I think that it's a super cute way to incorporate a piece from this collection into my collection without going too crazy price point wise. So again, as I mentioned, the distorted damier was my absolute favorite when I first saw this collection come out. The cartoon friends were not really my style, not up my alley. Don't get me wrong, I love cutesy cartoon stuff. These were not like cutesy for me. I just wasn't that into them. But when I did see the checker stuff, and there were a few other showstoppers in the collection, I did like a few individual items. Okay, so the other pieces that I really considered getting were the City Keepall in black with the checker strap. That bag retailed for $2,720. The style number was M57417, and it was 10.6 inches across, 6.7 inches high, and 5.1 inches deep. It did have a detachable strap, which I thought seemed super practical in terms of I could take that strap and then use it on other bags, but then it did not have a top handle, so it didn't really have multi-use. So while I liked that bag, it was not on my like actual thinking about wish list. The bag that I really considered getting was the Keepall XS or extra small. This was M80202 for $2,340, which was just a lot of money for basically a nano speedy. I really considered this, and I had to stop myself just because I didn't feel like I should be spending that money. But it again had the removable strap, which I thought I could be multi-purpose, but it also had a top handle so you could wear it 2 ways. It's just very small. It measures 8.3 inches across, 4.7 inches high, and 3.5 inches deep. So it's a really mini bag. It could hold your phone, but I just didn't know if I wanted to spend $2,000 on such a small bag. If you got that bag, I'm jealous. It's super cute. It was just out of my price range. The Steamer XS was also super cute. I really liked all of the Damier distorted stuff. That was 5.9 inches across, 7.1 inches high, and 3 inches deep. Again, adorable, but unnecessary. I could not see myself actually using it. And then they did sell the bandolier strap separately for $805 with the cute little neon orange 𝐿𝑒 on the front. And I also contemplated that, but I did not feel like spending $1,000 on a strap. So really, the easiest way for me to get into this collection and order something that I thought was really on brand for me essentially was the pocket organizer, because I find these extremely useful, and since I missed out on the Cloud one from the fall season, I was super excited to add one to my collection from the spring season. Really quickly pulling up the receipt here. Again, the style number is M80170, and the retail price was $440. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this Louis Vuitton men's spring 2021 unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below if you love Louis Vuitton handbags, unboxings, collection reviews. I'm going to be posting at least one video a week for you guys, and I would love to have you as a part of my little family here. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.